Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to create Razorpay payment link on new event registration and send on WhatsApp. So now let's see what is happening here. So you have received a new form submission for the registration of an event that you are going to conduct in a Pabbly form, right? So you are going to create a payment link from Razorpay for the person who have registered here in a Pabbly form. And you are going to send the same payment link to the person who have filled the form on the WhatsApp account, right? Now let's talk about the applications we have used. So guys, Pabbly Form Builder is a form building application in which you can create many type of forms to collect the data like survey form, research form or any registration forms, right? And Razorpay is an online payment gateway applications in which you can create payment pages and distribute it with your customers to receive payments, right? And WhatsApp, guys, as you already know, is a widely used instant messaging application. Now let's suppose that you are going to conduct any event. You are any institute or any event management firm and you are going to conduct any event. So to get registrants for your event, you have created a form by Pabbly Form Builder here, right? Now as and when someone fill that form and submit that form, you want to create a payment link for him or her by using Razorpay, and you are going to send that same link to the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled this form, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that whenever someone filled this registration form built by Pabbly Form Builder, you are going to manually sort out the data of that person and then go to Razorpay dashboard and create a payment link individually for each and every person, and then manually compile a message on WhatsApp for each and every form submission you receive and send the payment link here on WhatsApp. Now guys, this can be done, but this process is very repetitive, problematic and tiresome. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a new registration here in Pabbly form, a Razorpay payment link get automatically generated and the same payment link get automatically delivered on the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled the form. Yes guys, this can be done, and this can happen by connecting Pabbly Form Builder with Razorpay and WhatsApp. But to connect these two applications, we do not have any native integration or connection present between Pabbly Form, Razorpay and WhatsApp. So to connect these three applications, I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Pabbly Form Builder, Razorpay and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between all these applications is going to work in real time. So guys, this is the form I have created with the help of Pabbly Form Builder for an event which is a conference on artificial intelligence in industry. So this is the topic of the conference, which is going to be held on 16th of October to 20th of October 2021, and this is the registration form for this event. So whenever someone fill this form from here, a link of the payment for this event is going to be delivered here on the WhatsApp account, all right, who register for this event. All right, so what I'm going to show you now is that I will make a registration here. I'll fill this form and we will check in this WhatsApp account if this WhatsApp account receives a payment link for this event or not. So let me fill this. I am clicking on yes here. So the form will open up and it's asking for the full name. So let me fill it like my name only, and let the email be this, and here I'll enter the number. So I filled the required details here, and now I'm clicking on submit. So you can see the form is submitted successfully. Now we will check in the WhatsApp account if we receives the payment link or not. So you can see we have received a new message here, and the message is like this, you can see. And the message is like this. It is saying, hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗏, we have received your request for AI in Industry conference. Please use the link below to complete your registration process, and here is the link for doing the payment. Alright, so this is how it is going to be done. As and when I fill this form here and submitted it successfully, this WhatsApp account of mine received this message, and after this I will make the payment for the Razorpay payment link. Alright, now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of the message, just by filling this form here that we have created for registration. So guys, now let me show you the easiest steps possible by which you can also make this connection between Pabbly Forms and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Pabbly Form Builder and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect Form Builder to Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect the form that we have created from Pabbly Form Builder to here in Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the form's data in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from the Pabbly form to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is now send the Razorpay payment link on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at the last step, we are going to send the Razorpay payment link as a new message on WhatsApp via another application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, open your browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Alright, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done, so I'm clicking on sign in directly. So this is the all apps section of Pabbly. From here you have to come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here, and to start working here you have to create workflows like these. Alright, so to create a workflow you have to click here on this create workflow button on the top right corner. So click on it. After this it will ask for a name to your workflow, so you can give any relevant name. So I have filled the name as new event registration to payment link on WhatsApp. Alright, now I'm clicking on create here. So as a workflow get created, you will see these 2 things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright. Now, as in our use case, you can see the trigger would be a new form submission for the registration, and the action would be to send the payment link on WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger option, and from this choose app, choose your application as Pabbly Form Builder. So this is Pabbly Form Builder, select it. After this it will ask for the trigger event. So click here on select and select this new form submission. After this it will generate a URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So by using this URL we are going to connect our Pabbly form with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you just have to copy this URL from here and you have to come to the Pabbly Form Builder's dashboard. So this is my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard. Here I have created all these forms you can see for various purposes, and for this purpose I have created this AI conference registration form. Alright, so this is the form I have created for this purpose. Now you just have to in the dashboard you just have to click on this integrations option here like this, and you will find the webhooks option here. Click on this webhooks option, and from here you can see we have already a webhook pasted here. So you can create another webhook by clicking on this create webhook button. Click on it, and here you have to paste the copied webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. So paste it here like this, and then click on save. So you can see we have added another webhook successfully here. Now what you have to do, come in Pabbly Connect again, and you can see this button, Recapture Webhook Response. So click on this button, because our second step is to bring the data from the form that we have created in Pabbly Connect here. Alright, so click on this Recapture Webhook Response button, click on yes, and you can see it started showing like this, waiting for webhook response. This means we have to fill another form to bring the data here. So let's fill another form. So let me open the form here. So this is the link. So this is the form that I have created on conference on AI industry registration form. All right, so let's fill it. So I'm clicking on yes here, and now in the full name I'm writing the name as Zoya Khan, and the email all right, and in the organization let's say MB, and in the position let's say content writer. All right, and in the mobile number you have to fill the mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the applicant or the one who is registering. So let me fill this also. Now I'm clicking on submit. All right, so this form is successfully submitted. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we have received something. So you can see we have received response here. You can see it is showing the form ID, the ticket ID, the IP address, the submission date and time. All right, and all the details that I have filled. So our second step is completed. Now what I'm going to do is click on this plus icon here, and now I'm going to apply a function by Pabbly which is called filter. So search for filter in the choose app. So here is the filter, click on it, and what I'm going to do is I'll make sure that someone clicked on yes on the form. All right, so as you can see I have clicked on yes button in the form, then the form opened up. All right, so you can see in this field where we have captured the data in Pabbly Connect, a field is this, you want to continue, and the answer is yes. So I'm going to select this field from this select label option. So when you click here on select label, you will find this Pabbly form builder option, and when you click here you will find all the data that we have already captured in the second step. All right, so you will find the this field, this label also by clicking here in the Pabbly form builder option. So you will find you want to continue, yes, map this, and in the filter type make it equals to, and here in the value just manually enter yes. All right, so when you click here on save and send test request, you can see it is showing the condition is true, status is success. That means let's say if we send the link to many people, and let's say someone filled the form and someone clicked on no as they do not want to register, then this workflow will not run and the message will not be delivered. The message will be delivered to only those who have clicked on yes and filled the form. That's why we have applied this filter. So after applying this filter, what you have to do is click here on this plus icon, and from this action window you have to choose the application as Razorpay. All right, so select this Razorpay application, and in the action event what you have to do is create payment link. So we are going to create a payment link which we are going to send on WhatsApp to the person who have filled the event registration form. So click on connect here, and from this window click on add new connection, and then it will ask for these two things, the key ID and the key secret. So from where you will find these two things, so you have to go you can read this instruction. You have to go to the settings of your Razorpay dashboard and find API keys option. So let me bring you to the Razorpay dashboard here, and from here I am going to click on the settings, and in the settings you will find this API keys option. So click here and you can see these two things. So these are the keys that I have already generated. So by clicking here on regenerate test key, you can regenerate a key for you like this by clicking here. So you can deactivate the old key immediately. So let me deactivate it. Alright, and you can see we have these two things, the key ID is generated and the secret key is generated. So copy these two things from here. And after copying this key ID, paste it here in this key ID field in Pabbly Connect like this, and also the secret key, which is this. Copy this from here and come to Pabbly Connect, paste it here. Alright, so once you made this connection, you can also use the existing connection option. So this is also a one-time task. Now click on save here. Alright, so you can see the connected is showing up. That means we are connected with Razorpay. Now you have to enter the amount. So what amount you are going to set for this registration, for this event that you are conducting. So let the registration charges be, let's say 350 for us. Currency will be INR. Put INR here. And in the type, select a link. We are going to generate a link. In the description, you can enter the description as payment link for conference on AI in industries. All right, so you can put it according to you. After putting the description, it is asking for the customer's name. So in the name, you can map the name, the name of the person who have registered. So you'll find the name in this Pabbly Form Builder option, map the name. And then email, you can map the email. In the contact, you can map the contact also. So here is the contact. And yeah. After this, it is asking for the receipts data. So in this receipt, you have to enter a unique value for each payment link. All right. So to put a unique value, just click here and click on this Pabbly Form Builder option, and it will show you this ticket ID. So this ticket ID is unique and it is generated with every time someone filled the form. So just map this ticket ID in the receipt number, and we do not want to send a reminder from this Razorpay. And also the important thing is, in this expire, you have to mention the time at which the payment link will get expired. All right. So the conference we are conducting is on 16th October to 20th of October 2021. So I want that my payment link get expired on 15th of October. All right. So to make sure of this, what I'm going to do, in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to, in this expire field, click here on this timestamp option. You can see I have clicked here on this timestamp, and this page will open up. And from here, so I want the link to get expired on 15th. So I'm filling the date as 15th. You can see 15 of October. So the month is 10th, year is this, and on 15 I am also adding the hours. So let the hours be, let's say I want to get it expired, I want that this payment link exists on 15th for 12 hours. All right, so I am adding 12 hours here, and the minutes would be 00. All right, now click on convert, and this Unix timestamp is you will get this timestamp here. So just copy this timestamp from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and in this expire field, paste this timestamp like this. Alright, now it is asking for SMS notification. No, we do not want it. You can leave these fields here, and in the callback URL you can enter the URL of your firm or your foundation who is conducting this whole thing. Alright, so you can enter the URL here. I'm leaving this all blank also here. Now I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see if the payment link got generated or not. So you can see it started showing this type of response, and here you will find the link it has generated, which we are going to send to the person who have filled the form. So this is the link, short URL. So this is the payment link we got. All right, so this step is also completed, which is to create a link. All right, so now come to our final step. Let me show you the step first. So we have completed these two steps and collected the form's data in Pabbly Connect. We are going to execute the final step, which is now send us Razorpay payment link on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So it is time for sending the message on WhatsApp with the payment link, and to do this we are going to use another application, which is 360 dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360 WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Select this. Alright, now in the action event, select send template message. Now you guys are wondering why I am using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. Alright, so 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp very easily and directly. So now click on connect here, and from this window click on this add new connection, and here it will ask for these two things, the API key and the domain. So where you have to find it, you have to go to your 360 dialog dashboard. So this is my 360 dialog account. Alright, so you can also set up your account, set up your 360 dialog account, and to do that you can use the link that we have pasted in the description box, and you can use the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices by using our link which we have pasted in the description box. And also we have pasted a link of the video in the description in which we have explained how to use and how to set up your 360 dialog account. For now, what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have clicked here on WhatsApp accounts in my 360 dialog dashboard, and here you can see we have this button which is the generate API key button. So by clicking here you can generate an API key for yourself, which you have to enter here in this API key field, and while doing that you will also find the domain name as well, which you have to enter here. So this is a one-time process. Once you generate your API key, you can use it to make the connection with Pabbly Connect many times. Alright, so as I have already generated one API key, I do not need to do it once more. So I'm clicking here on choose existing connection, because I have already connected my 360 dialog with Pabbly Connect before. So I'm choosing the existing connection and clicking on save. So you can see it started showing connected. Alright, and these fields are opening up. So the first field is the template. So it is asking for which template you are going to use to send the message. So let me bring you to my 360 account again, and I'm opening this manage templates button, clicking here. So you can see these are the templates we have in my 360 dialog account. So what are these? Let me open one for you. So templates are nothing but the messages we are going to send to our clients or customer, to whomever we want to send WhatsApp messages. So this is one typical template. It looks like this. So you can also create such templates here in 360 dialog by clicking here on this add template button, and this window will open up, and here you can enter the name of your template. From this field you can select the category of the template, and we have these categories here. issue resolution, reservation update, shipping update, and much more. Also, you can select the language. You can type the message in any language available from these options. Then you can select the templates type, standard template, and media and interactive. So in media and interactive type, you can add the files or media attached here in this field. All right. So as and when you complete creating the template, here you can enter the main body of your message in the body field. And after doing that, you just have to click here on preview and submit button. And after submitting your template, what will happen? The WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and get your template approved. All right. So it generally, the standard time of approving the templates is 30 minutes to 48 hours. Generally, it takes a few hours or 45 minutes approx to get a template approved by Facebook. After getting your templates approved, you can use all these templates to send the messages to your customers or to whomever you want to send messages. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use. All right. So for this purpose, I am going to use the template is the registration process template. This template I am going to use. So I'm selecting this template here. So after selecting the template, the namespace field will automatically be filled up. The language code is already selected. The EN stands for English. Now you have to map the mobile number of the person who have done the registration process to send the payment link to him or her. All right. So when you click here, you will find this Pabbly Form Builder option. And when you click here, you will find the details of the person who have filled the form. So you will find the number also. So just map the WhatsApp number like this. After this, these body fields are opening up. So what are these body fields? Let me open the template for you. So I'm going to my 360 dialog account, and here I'm going to open this registration process template which we are using. So here you can see the structure of the message is like this: hello, and this 1, 2. So the 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are in double curly braces, are actually the body fields which are opening up here. So in this body fields, you can see these are the variable things of our message. So you can see after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have filled the form. So with every message, this position is going to change because every person have the different name. And we have received your request for. So if you have more than one events ongoing, or yes, if you have more than one events that you are going to happen, and for that you have made a single form, this place can also change. Right here, so these are the variable things which we are going to put here. So we want that as and when we send a new message, these things get automatically filled up dynamically. So to do that, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. All right. So in the body field 1, we are going to map the name of the person. So you will find this. You will find the name here in Pabbly Connect, in Pabbly Form Builder option. So map the name of the person. In the second field, you have to enter the name of the conference or the name of the event. So here we do not have the data of the event, so you can manually enter here the details of the event, which is this. The name of the event is, let me open the form again. So the name of the event is this: Conference on AI in Industries. You just copy this name from here only and fill it here manually. And in this body field 3, we are going to map the link of the payment. All right. So to find the link, you just have to click here, and you will find this Razorpay create payment link option. So this is the step in was the previous step in which we have generated the link. All right. So you can see this is the link that we have generated. So you have to map this link by clicking here on this Razorpay option, and you will find the link here. So this is the link we have. Map it like this. All right. So now it is asking for body field 4. So body field 4. So this is the 4th. So here just put the name of the
name of the body which is conducting this event. All right, so you can enter your company's name, like I am entering AI Universal Foundation, just an example for you. All right, now when I click here on save and send test request, this link will be delivered to the WhatsApp account. All right, so I am clicking here. And you can see it started showing this type of response, and we have also received a message here. Let's see in the WhatsApp, and the message is this: hello Zoya Khan, we have received your request for conference on AI in industry. Please use the link below to complete your registration process. All right, so this message has arrived according to our template. All right, so the connection is working fine here. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger option, we selected Pabbly Form Builder as an application, connected the form with this URL, which is Webhook URL. Then we captured the response by filling another form. Then we applied the filter to make sure someone has clicked on yes and filled the form completely. After this, we connected the Razorpay payment page, Razorpay dashboard to generate a link which we are going to send to the person. All right. After generating the link, we connected 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. Then we mapped the template details here like this. The body fields, the variables we had in our template, we mapped all these things. And when I click here on save and send test request, the message get delivered. Now just click on save here. Now let me tell you one more important thing, that you can make this workflow run 100 times in a month, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every month. Alright, so if 100 free tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in this description box, so you can use this same workflow in your free Pabbly Connect account and run this automation. This is it.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.